Hey everyone, in today's video I'm going to be doing these nails using nail forms, so if you are interested to see how I did these nails then please keep on watching. So I'm starting off with my bare nails as I always do, and today I wanted to use forms because it's just been a very long time since I've actually used forms and I've kind of forgot how much I actually enjoy using forms and I've really been missing them. So here's just how I apply my form. I make sure to pinch these sticky tabs at the bottom first, and then I place it on my finger, sorry, and then I squeeze the edge and secure the sides by squeezing those as well. And that's my form fitted. It's really easy to fit a form, however I know that it can be a bit difficult for some people, especially depending on, you know, the kind of form that you have and maybe the kind of nail shape that you have. So I know some people like to cut their forms in order to custom fit it to the fingers, but I don't really do that because I feel like it fits the form just fine. I'm then applying Makartt's bright white polygel and using the base coat gel as slip solution, and I find that it works better than the regular slip solution that you get because I find that it is so easy to work gel with gel compared to gel with like an alcohol based solution which evaporates and then you kind of have to keep dipping your brush. So with using forms I don't apply as much pressure as I would with tips because the form, it's like made out of paper at the end of the day. So if I do put too much pressure on it I feel like it might just like fold, or it won't be secured to my finger too well. So just bear that in mind, that when you're working with forms you kind of have to have a bit more of a light hand, and yeah, that's pretty much it. Other than that, working with the polygel is pretty much the same as I always do. And to take off the form I pinch on the sides, and then once it's released I would usually pull that part down and then remove the rest of it. And underneath it's gonna be uncured because the light does not reach that part of the nail. So just go over with your brush, smooth it out and cure it under your UV light and you should be good to go. So when forming my nails with polygel using forms, I like to start at the cuticle. I use my slip solution to get the surface area nice and smooth, and I like to use the lines on the form as guides, especially when cleaning up the sides of the nail. So you'll see that I kind of use the tip of my brush to clean up the line on the edge like I am now, just like that, because I find that it reduces my filing time because I got a nice shape that I'm already working with when I file. So when applying polygel I apply it kind of thick. I don't really like to go over afterwards and reapply to fix anything. So I just try to make it as perfect as I can and to the thickness that I like it to be as I am forming it on the form. So again, applying my form, securing the sides and pinching the tip, and then secure the rest of it at the bottom as well. And I also wanted to try a stiletto shape because I've not done this often. I used to do this before with acrylic on shorter nails, which I really liked. But now it's actually my first time trying it with polygel. And I have to say, I really do like this shape. I feel like I'm going to be doing more nails using this shape. And yeah, just let me know what you think of this new shape. For me it's new anyway. Let me know what you think, and yeah. Also don't forget to use my discount code nails by Kamin, which gives you 15% off at makartt.com checkout. And this is a affiliate link, so I do make a small commission. So if you do want to support the channel then please do use that. I will be very grateful. And also please don't forget to like my video because it really helps my channel out a lot. So thank you to everyone who does like, comment and subscribe. It really means a lot and it really helps my channel grow. So thank you so much. And I will be linking all the products that I am using in the description box below. I believe I'm using polygels from like a bunch of different kits from Makartt, so yeah, I will be sure to link those down below. And all the polygels that I'm using, they're absolutely amazing. You guys know I love Makeup polygels. The formula is probably one of the best that I've used, and the colors and just their kits in general, they're very fun, they're very unique. Yeah, Makat's a really nice brand, polygel brand to use, especially if you're starting out. So definitely check out Makat, because when I started using them, it definitely changed my mind about polygel and many other products. So yeah, definitely check them out and you will love their products. So I also wanted to mention that these forms did come with the Makat Rainbow Polygel kit, I believe, and the tubes for that polygel kit is absolutely massive. So yeah, I really like these forms. They're really good, and they're really secure. They're like really on there, like they don't move, and yeah, they just make you feel really good about using them, because I find that I could mold and shape my polygel however I would like, and the form wasn't going to just flip off or you know, kind of start to break, because I have had an incident in the past where the paper form just started to like rip because it got wet or something, and it was just like acrylic or polygel, and it just started to rip which is super annoying. And yeah, so that just ruined my nails. So yeah, now I am finishing off that finger. I'm making sure that my sidewalls are nice and clean, and make sure to apply your product kind of thick, because when you do remove your form, you don't want to risk breaking the nail or anything like that. So now I'm going to show you guys how I file my nails with forms, and it's mostly just the side walls for me, because I am going to do a design on top, so I don't really bother too much about filing the top, but you definitely can. So with my e-file, I'm using this drill bit from Amazon. It's amazing, and my e-file is the Makat JD700 e-file, which is really good, and it's been going strong for about 2 years now. And what I do is I just clean up the sidewalls. As you can see, this is super easy. You just go in with your drill bit, see anything that's uneven, and file. I also did go in with my hand file afterwards. It's the Makat hand file, and I just made the shape more crisp. And I also use my e-file bit to save me time on doing that with the hand file, so I just pre-shape them a bit more with the e-file. And now I'm moving on to the design. So I was originally thinking to do flowers, but I don't know how my mind just changed, and I was like, I just want to do circles. Like I just wanted to do something round. I don't know, it was kind of weird, but the design is basically going to be a bunch of circles on my finger, and they're gonna be like 3D. So yeah, I think I just wanted to do like some 3D nails. So here we go. I'm just applying all the colors. All the polygels that I'm using for this part of the video are from Makat's House of Florists polygel kit, which I've done a review on. I will link that down below, and also the Makat Rainbow Polygel kit, which I will link down below. You guys seem to like the lava lamp nails I tried with that kit, so I will definitely link that, and do check that out if you want to. And yeah, all the colors are really nice and pigmented. This is why I feel like Makat should be a good like beginner type polygel kit brand, because they just have so many like colors, and I've not seen that with many other brands. You can definitely like pick individual tubes of polygel as well, which I've not seen some brands do. And yeah, it's just pretty much me molding every single bit of that polygel into these 3D circles, and I was really enjoying this new shape that I usually don't go with, but it was just really nice. I really enjoyed these, and I did not file these nails again. I just applied top coat after this. So if you don't want that 3D look, then definitely encapsulate this, but if you do want that 3D look, then I would just leave it as it is. it's not really a big deal. I wasn't planning on wearing these nails for very long. So I did apply a peel-off base coat underneath my nails. The peel-off base coat that I use is from Unt, or UNT, I'm not sure how you would say that, but it is really good, and I got it on eBay for about £8, so it's really inexpensive. It's also on Amazon for £12, I believe. So yeah, definitely use that if you like to change out your nails often, or if you're just a swatcher, then using a peel-off base coat underneath is definitely the way to go, and it saves a lot of time removing nails as well. So again, if you are enjoying this video, please don't forget to like, and don't forget to use my discount code nailedbyk for 15% off your Macart purchase at macart.com, and it would really help me out. Thank you for those of you who have already used my discount code. It means a lot, so thank you so much. And yeah, also let me know down below in the comments what other kind of video you would like me to do, because I'm not too sure what I want to do for my upcoming videos. I know someone suggested that I do my e-filing routine, so I am more than happy to do that for you guys if you would like to see that as my next video. So for top coat, of course, I'm going with the Macart No Wipe top coat. This top coat is really good. I have used it before and I have tested it, and it's really shiny. It doesn't dull and it doesn't scratch. It's not gonna last you forever, of course, but it will last you about a good 2 weeks before you start to see it you know, becoming a bit dull or scratching up a bit. But it does last a really long time, and it does stay really shiny as well throughout the 2 weeks. So I'm really happy with this top coat and I love using it, and it's also really cheap and inexpensive, which you can also buy individually, but it also does come with every single kit that they have on their website. So let me know down below what you think of these nails. I will also be applying some of my favorite cuticle oil that I have been using for a while now. It's one from the Body Shop. It's a brand that is found in the UK. So I will see if I can link like an alternative nail oil in the description box down below for you guys. But it's just a nice thick oil that's like in a pen type of applicator, and it's just really easy to apply, and I really like this cuticle oil. It makes my cuticles really nice and moisturized. So yeah, definitely try to get yourself one of those. And that's it for today's video. I know this was a short one, but I just wanted to quickly come on and share this with you. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Let me know what you think down below, and also I will be posting these to Instagram too, so do go and give me a like there, and I guess I will see you guys in the next one. Bye guys.